In today's video, I'm going to show you a very powerful affiliate marketing strategy that you can use to make anywhere from $100 up to a couple $100 every single day. And I'm going to show you step by step how to set this method up using very hot affiliate marketing niche that's selling like hotcakes right now. So make sure to watch this video through till the end, follow exactly what I'm doing, and if you do that, there's very little chance you're not going to make any money with this. But before I actually show you all of these, I kindly like to ask you to make sure you hit the like button on this video and subscribe to my channel to stay tuned for more money making content, and also hit the notification bell so as soon as I release a brand new money making video, you'll be one of the first to see it and make the most amount of money. And now let's jump right into it. First of all, we need to grab a couple of affiliate offers. For that, I highly recommend you go to either ClickBank or you can use Digistore24 too. You can try this with other affiliate networks as well, but these two I've got tested. They've got the exact offers that we're looking for. So if you want to follow exactly through what I'm doing, just go to ClickBank or Digistore. If you're new, just sign up for your account, otherwise just log right into it. Once you're in your account, this is going to work same for Digistore and ClickBank. Go to self-help section right here and you want to select marriage and relationships. This is the exact niche we are going to be promoting in today's video, and because it's February and Valentine's Day is just around the corner, these offers are very hot right now and they are going to be selling like hotcakes. What you want to actually do is pick up two offers out of ClickBank or Digistore, and the first offer we're going to be promoting is this one, and the first offer we're going to be promoting is this one, His Secret Obsession. This one is targeted to women. That's one of the reasons why this is one of two offers we are going to be promoting. His Secret Obsession, you can see the gravity score is very high and the average conversion is around $59. So just click that promote button right now, fill in your ClickBank nickname, click on create a hop link, and what you want to do is copy your affiliate link and paste it into a notepad or somewhere where you can get access to it later. Once you do that, go to the self-help section again and select dating guides. We are going to be picking yet another offer, this time targeting towards men. And what you want to go for is this offer right here, Unlock the Scramble. You can see this offer's gravity is very high as well, and with almost $95 in average conversion, if you make just a single sale with both of these offers, you can make $150 literally from nothing. But because of the traffic source that I'm going to show you, the chance of making a sale is actually a lot higher. Once you get this offer as well, just click on promote, get its affiliate link, and paste it into a notepad with the other affiliate link as well. Now once you have your two affiliate links, what you want to do is go to taplink.at. Go to Taplink and sign up using your Google account, and once you're inside, you get to create this very simple landing page both for mobile and for desktop. You want to choose something that's Valentine themed. So if you scroll a little bit down, you can choose either of these templates, but I wouldn't recommend going with these Christmassy ones. You want to look for something that's looking Valentine. If you scroll down enough, you may stumble upon these three that are flower themed, and I highly recommend you choose this one with roses because this looks exactly like a Valentine's themed landing page should. And now you get to customize this page to your liking. Now what I'm going to do is just change this title to something like this, pickup lines that work. This is very important that you use this exact sentence, and you also want to change this subheading as well to something like this, click below to learn more. Once you do that, we need to customize these blocks as well. What you need to do first is go to these three lines, click on delete blocks and select this last one and delete, because we are actually going to be needing just one block. Also make sure to delete this one with the contact information. We are not going to be needing that one as well. All you need is just these two blocks right here. Now first of all, select one of these, and what you want to actually do is rename it into women click here. Then just go ahead and get rid of this text right here, and in this action field you need to make sure you select website. Now just grab your affiliate link for the women's offer that we have picked up, paste it into this URL site right here, and that's all you need to do. Just click on save changes. Now for this other one, men click here, make sure you get rid of this text. Action, you need to select website. Okay, now go to the notepad, grab the second affiliate link, paste it right here, save changes, and this is pretty much all you need to do to create a simple landing page. If you want to see how it looks for desktop, just click on these three lines and select desktop right here, and it's going to look something like this, exactly the same thing with two buttons, but it just gets larger. So once you're done customizing this simple landing page, what you need to do is click on publish right here, and you have to name it something. For example, Valentine's Day offer should work very well. Now just click on connect, and just like that, the site is live. All you need to do now is just copy this link right here, paste it into the notepad as well. Once you have done that, all we need to do now is just drive the relevant traffic to this page. Now to do that, I'm going to show you how to actually get the most relevant traffic. So for that, head over to pexels.com or any other stock footage website that you may want to use and look for videos. You need to select videos and type in couple flirting and look for video of two people that may seem like they are on a date or something like that. Once you find a video that you want to go for example, I'm going with this one, just simply click on free download it to your computer, and once you download it, we need to make a couple of changes to it. Now just simply hop over to Canva and look for TikTok video. Hit enter and you want to select this blank template. We're going to be creating a template from scratch scratch. Now just upload the video you have downloaded from your free stock footage page and just stretch it so it fits this entire canvas, because it's important that it fits the dimension of a TikTok video. Make sure though the couple is visible in the video, because actually that's the important part. People watching this video need to see what's going on in there. Once you do that, just go to the text section and add a heading, place it right at the top, and type in exactly this: Pickup lines that work, part 1. This part 1 is very important because that way you'll create a sense that there will be more of these videos and people can learn a lot more of these pickup lines we are going to provide them in with this video. So just put this text right at the top. Then what you want to do is go to elements and select this square shape. Place it over the text, stretch it all the way so it fits this entire part. Then just left click on it and set it backwards, and also change the color to something like black, for example. This should look very well, okay? Then what you want to do is down here in this playhead section, you want to play the video for like 5 seconds. Play it for like 5 seconds, then just right click on it and split page. Then what you want to do for the second part is just go to text again, place subheading and place it right in the middle. Now we need to grab ourselves a funny pickup line and place it right here. For that, just go to Google, search for best pickup lines, open one of these websites and look for some pickup lines that may sound a bit funny. For example, let's use some of these. Want a rising? No. How about a date? This one's actually pretty funny, so I'm going to use this one. Just copy it, go back to Canva, paste it in this section, then just customize it so it looks something like this right in the middle. Go again to elements, select square, place another square right behind the text, and this one let's make it, for example, let's go with red. Make it red so it stands out. Now just go to text yet again and select subheading and place it right at the bottom, and here you want to write in more in bio, something like this. Place another square right behind it, and let's make this one, for example, black again. So the finished video should look something like this. Now just click on share button right here, click on download and download it as a MP4. Once you have the video downloaded to your computer, just simply go to Pinterest. Then what you want to do is just create a pin and upload the video right here. Then for the title, just add in the exact same thing that you put in the title of the video. Then go to this description, and here you want to write something like this: Do you dare to try out these pickup lines? They really work. Check this page to learn more pickup lines. Then what you want to do is go down here to this destination link, and here you want to simply paste the link from this top link landing page we have created. So grab it from the notepad, or you can get it right here. Go back to Pinterest, paste it in the destination link, and in the tags section just add a couple of tags that have something to do with dating or pickup lines. I'm just going to put in these two, but go ahead and add as many as you want. Once you do that, all you need to do is just publish this pin, and just like that, the pin is out there and people will start coming to this landing page we have created. And because they are naturally curious, they will pick one of these. They will be directed to the sales page, which is going to be doing all the selling for us, and easily as that you can get some sales with this method. Now what you want to actually do is just not post one of these pins, but go back to Canva and you can use this very same template. Just change this number, for example part 2, go back to the pickup lines website, copy yet another one, paste it in instead of the pickup line that was there, then just click on download and you have created another video just like that. It takes just a couple of seconds after you get this done for the first time. Go ahead and create a couple of these, like 10 or 15 depending on how much of these you want. Post them on Pinterest with the same link to the landing page or top link. That way you can get unlimited source of traffic to your page, and that's how you can get all those sales in. And that's pretty much it. That's how easy it is to promote 2 affiliate offers at the same time. And because the time is right, you're going to be seeing some serious traffic to your site, because it's Valentine's Day soon. Everyone's thinking about dating and relationship. They're going to go to your website, make a sale, and that's how you get the money. Now if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button below, and if you want to see another cool money making video, try checking out this one. Other than that, I just hope you have a fantastic day, and I will see you next time.